no plans. It all makes sense. Empty-handed is better than none. If you don't mind, I won't mind. At least I'll try. Call me when it's I don't mind. Call me when I'll learn to fly. Till you sleep at night. You were so satisfied. Forever and forever mine. Kiss you back 1,000 times. At least I'll try. Run till I'm on the side. Suffering my starlit eyes. I wanna kiss you up at night. Say one, I'm afraid I cry to love. If you don't mind, I won't mind. At least I'll try. Glasses up like cheers. She's choking back tears. Yeah, haven't been home all year. Would you bring me back? Thought we would just forget that. I'm a little upset if you could tell. Thought you were dead to burn in hell. Every regret is spinning carousel. So just please don't think I'm a mistake. Apologies for hanging.
What's up, everybody? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. We're on the new machine today. On the new laptop. Here's the old guy right here. So we're all switched over, which means there's going to be hiccups, probably, today. So let me know how the music is, volume-wise. Let me know how the mic is. If anything goes sideways, just let me know. We'll tweak it. It'll be fine. I'm expecting some stuff to go wrong. The stream already failed to record because there was something wrong in the config. It's fine. We just can't do anything too funny because I can't make a short out of it. So, well, I can. It just, the audio will have the music, which will be goofed up. So, it has to be a boring stream or I'll be sad. No Discord announcement. I know. It doesn't work. It's really delayed. Did it go out there? Yeah, there it goes. The Carl bot, for some reason, is really slow. I don't know why. But it's always really slow. I've looked into it. Sometimes it actually doesn't even post, for some reason. But the YouTube one should go out. But yeah, anyway. I'm expecting audio to be goofy maybe at some points. Something's gonna... Like I said, the recording didn't work already, and I can't start it and tweak it without ending the stream and restarting it, so... It's fine. Whatever. It's fine. We're gonna power through it. I already got my coffee today. I know we started late. I said 1 o'clock. My bad. They just kind of ran late today. But I got my coffee ready, so no coffee break. Or at least if there's a coffee break, it's gonna be more like a rage break probably later. If I run into something. But, got the coffee ready. Today's focus is the state machine. We're taking a swing at the shipment state machine. We're gonna do the Spatie has this Laravel model states package. It looked like pretty simple. Like we could probably just re-implement it, but I figure we'll just pull it in. If we run into any weird edges, we'll just build it ourselves. But I don't think we will. It'll probably be fine. It's not trying to be too complicated. So they will pull that in today and start getting the shipment actually moving through states. Today we'll probably just have the states be predefined. So it'll probably be like, I guess, awaiting dispatch. Not dispatched. I don't know. Whatever. Then like maybe dispatched, and then like at pickup, then maybe in transit, then at delivery, and then probably delivered, and then maybe. I've seen this both ways. Maybe a completed state. I mean, we have time to like change this later, and I want it to be configurable, but I've seen both ways of having a completed state and not doing a completed state. Basically, we want a state between delivered awaiting docs and like the shipment is done. Then there's also arguments we made about carrier paid versus money received from customer. Anyway, The goal today is just to get the system in place. We can figure out the actual states more later. I don't think that'll be done today. The other thing today is I would like to get our storage link thing we had to add. I want to get that into the official config or something. It's like a really easy miss. So I'd like to get that figured out too. So basically, we added storage link artisan command, which links our storage file system so that we can actually do like the avatar uploads. If you don't do that, it doesn't really error. It just doesn't work, basically. So that kind of sucks. So I figure we'll put that in an artisan command. I actually made a ticket for creating an artisan helper maybe in the future. I think that could be useful. So like if somebody's setting up for the first time, they just run like artisan like app health. And it'll be like, oh, your storage needs to be linked. You want me to run? Yes, okay. So maybe we'll do that. I don't think we'll do that today, but maybe like later this week or something. But regardless, today I want to like add it to the development doc or something so that it's recorded. But yeah, it should be a good day. Later this week, we'll get back into the broker AR benchmark. That'll probably be on Friday. Get that tweaked some more. But yeah, let me share my screen and let's just jump into it. Let's jump into it today. All right, please hold. I do have a bigger screen over here now. I know I said I was gonna move the computer over here. Decided not to, so it's still over here. But the screen's a little bigger, which is nice. Let's see here. Make sure everything looks right. Nice. ChatGPT's take on load statuses. All right, I'll take a look at this. Let's see. What do we got? No shot. The first word it replied was McLeod. That's crazy. Oh, it's you asked for McLeod. Okay. McLeod uses a well-structured set of load statuses that cover the full life cycle. While the exact prompts can vary, so it's a tender. Oh, tendered. Yeah, that's a good call. Yeah, I guess like pre-accepted is a good call. Tendered, accepted, booked, dispatched, picked up. They use out for delivery. I don't think I've ever seen someone do that except for like LTL. Oh, so they don't have a completed state. They don't do accounting in there. Oh, they do parallel. Wait, status updates from a carrier versus. Oh, interesting. So they have parallel states. Ooh. That's gonna be weird. I guess we probably want to support that though, huh? I never thought about doing like parallel states. That's actually an interesting idea because one thing I feel like we run into a lot. I use in transit for out for delivery. Yeah, that's what I've always heard too, is in transit. I've never heard out for delivery, so that's what I was thinking. Same. Can I create custom load statuses? Yes, that's 100% going to be one of the goals. Today, I think we're just going to put the system in place, so you probably won't be able to create custom ones today, but you're going to. Like, the system will be built with that in mind, and we'll, like, part of this week, we'll get that all working. No, interesting, though. So, what I was going to say is one of the things I've seen issues with in the past are with TMSs, there's a conflict between a carrier state, a customer state, a broker state. Like I was just mentioning, right? Like, if you want to track... a lot of times people want to track like the accounting half of it in a load state. I'm looking at the wrong camera. I forgot. My bad. But a lot of times people want to like track the accounting state in that they want to say, you know, carrier payment hasn't been paid yet, but maybe we received payment from the customer, or like when's that not the case, and like that ties to a shipment state. So I've seen this done a few different ways, but I've never thought about. Yeah, I mean, we could do 3 states. Or any number, I guess, realistically, but is that over abstracting? I don't know. Maybe there's like a load state and it's truly just like the load state. Like it's the one that's like tendered, accepted, booked, dispatched, picked up, in transit, delivered. And that's the load state. And then if we want to separately track like a carrier payment state or a customer payment state, we could do that. but like the primary shipment state is just like the like physical state of the shipment. Over abstracting if you allow custom. I want to allow custom load states. I definitely want to allow custom load states, but maybe not state machines. Like, I think that you're going to want to... I think there's going to be somebody that's going to say they want to be able to tweak... like, they don't want a tendered state. They just want to have, like... They put a load in there, and it goes to booked. So I think they're going to want to at least be able to turn, like, the existing states on and off, probably. I don't think we have to support that today. Like I said, just this... The way the system is going to work... I'll show you. We have, we're going to have, like, a state class we can do. And we can define our own, like, states and transitions and everything. So I think, like, adding the flexibility of custom transitions in the future won't be too big of a lift. It's more about how you want to configure them. That's the biggest lift, probably. Like, how do we want to, like, expose that? I have the load status attached to the load state. And then accounting has its own. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. I think I think that's where we'll draw the line, basically, is the load state, or the shipment states, as we call them shipments in this TMS, is the physical shipment. I think that distinction will help us. And then I know we're going to want people to be like, I just want to see, you know, I've got an AR board and I want to see where customers haven't paid us yet. And they're going to want to be able to pull that somehow. And maybe we don't know. We probably do need like a whole state machine, because think about AR, right? Load delivers. Invoice is sent. There could be tweaks back and forth. There could be partial pays. There could be reconciliations. There could be write-offs. There's all kinds of stuff that can go on in there. It's not really quite as much as like hasn't been paid and has been paid. It's like there's a process we probably want to capture. So we'll want some kind of a state machine there, probably, even if it's inferred. But yeah, I think I'm on the same page. Eldorado, let's do load status as the load for now. This is the package I was looking at using. So it's pretty straightforward. Like I said, it's actually like so simple that it's borderline worth pulling in, because it's so straightforward. I'm not sure it's actually adding that much. Like 2-3 files maybe code at most. But basically it just ties it to a model. So we have like shipments. So we'll have like a has states. We'll define shipment state, and then in shipment state we can configure whatever we want. So we can give it a color, the transitions that are allowed. So pending can go to paid, pending can go to failed. So right, tendered can go to whatever, accepted. Accepted can go to booked, or can go to rejected if it's a rejected tender. At that point, we can't book it, whatever. But then I'm thinking in this allow transition, in this config, this is where we'll be able to expose this to the end user in some way, most likely, and allow them to define their own states, probably. A little early on the coffee today. Hope we don't crash. And then this is what, let's see here. Payment states. So we just got like a states column. So it'll automatically register states based on like a folder structure. Or you can manually register them. That's what they're doing there. We can also do custom state change events if we would like to. There's a contract for helping with type hinting, which we'll probably need to use. And then here's transitions. So I guess you can do like a custom transition. I haven't actually gotten that far. So it'd be like shipment state transition to whatever. Delivered. And here it looks like you can do multiple at once. I need to see what is the two failed custom transition classes. Let's see here. So you can define a transition. Okay. Hopefully this isn't too small on the screen. Sorry. Should have blown it up. Okay. This is cool. So we can handle that transition. So going back. Okay, yeah. Allow transition pending to failed will cause pending to failed handle get called. So we can set the failed state. We can set whatever else we want on here, error message, blah, blah, blah. Turn the payment. I wonder, is it saving this data? Because it's like passing like metadata. Or is that just like in memory? Serializing states. Oh, maybe the states aren't just like strings. Are they actually like classes that are serialized? Does this fire events by default? I hope so. I assumed it did. That's a great question though. Let's see here. Transition events. When a transition is successfully performed, an event will be dispatched called state changed. It holds reference to the initial state and the final state in the transition class that performed the transition and the model that the transition was performed on. So yeah. And then you can probably define your own. All right, I think we saw that right earlier. I want to see really quick. How is it like serializing these? Each state field should be by class. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Now here's your, you can make a custom state change. So we could create like a shipment state changed. And it would make that be fired instead of our default like state change, which is kind of generic. Oh, you can use attributes. That's kind of interesting. I don't think we'll do that. But it's kind of interesting to see. It's a cool option. Okay, wait. So if you set a default state to be pending, the state field in the database will contain the class name. Chances are you don't want to work directly with the state's class name all the time. This is why you may add a static name property to each state class. Okay, so we can, okay, that makes sense. Do not use hyphens as it will conflict. All right. You can still use class in your code base. The package will take care of the mappings. That's great. So how does a state get like hydrated? Because I thought we were passing stuff to it, right? Or was that just in the transitions? Nice. A good reason to pull this package in is that the state machine is fully documented. Easy to point to downstream users. Yeah, it's a great point. It's a great point. You can get all the registered states with invoice get states. Okay, that's cool. And default. So I think the transitions, like where it was like passing stuff into the handle. Where did we see that? Was it this one? Or maybe the dependency injection? Yeah, this one. So you can pass it in. So pass it in the constructor. It's always going to be the model first. That makes sense. Or you can actually do a new and pass it. So I'm thinking this must just be in memory. I don't think we actually store that data anywhere. Be careful not to have too many side effects within a transition. If you're injecting many dependencies, it's probably saying you should refactor this to use an event-based system. It's a good point. I don't think we want to put too much in here. It's a good call out. It's a good call out. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. This is what we're doing today. Yeah, I don't think we want this. I don't know if we want that. I think we're just gonna make it. I think we go with. We can do tendered, accepted. I think that's good. Booked, dispatched. I guess at pickup, in transit, at delivery, delivered. Is that what we got suggested before? It's probably something similar at least. And then canceled. Yeah, canceled is good. Canceled. Probably rejected maybe. Or tendered. Cancel could happen anytime. Yeah. All right. I like it.
I think tonight I'll grab my suit and tie, and you can wear that dress if it's just right. We got a reputation to hold. You know I can't do this all alone.
Let me check this out.
Knock at the door, is it a vengeance? But who is it for? Darling, tell me.
Cool. Oh, there's an update. Wait, I already have this, don't I? Oh, about 46. Sure. We'll do an update. What is default? Well, I clicked update, but nothing happened, so... Okay, sure. I don't know what that's about. That's fine. Okay, we should have sail here. Let me just... Docker's probably not running. Oh, I gotta make my alias. That's okay. Vendor, Ben, sail. Docker. Alright, pin this on. There we go. I need to add an alias. How do I add an alias that's like permanent though? I guess I gotta add it to like my... I need to add it to my ZSH config, right? Let's see here. Go. 1 second. I'm just gonna add this really quick. Okay, that should do it, I think. There we go. Okay. Easy enough. Okay, cool. So let's get this package pulled in. All right. Publish the config file. Provider model state. This is the content of the published config. So model state's default transition class. I don't remember them talking about that. What is that? Okay. Publishing the config file is optional. Okay, I don't... Do we need to do that? I don't think we do. Configuring states. I don't think we gotta do that. Cool. Easy enough. Okay. We're in. So we want to go to shipment now. Oh.
Quentin Thomas to Mission Control, Babel.
We're gonna run into stuff today with the setup.
It looks alien.
Do I even have Laravel installed? I don't think anything's installed. Wait, is it done? That seemed way too fast. There it is. I might have to install PHP really quick. We'll see what happens. Not a big deal if I do. Okay. Oh yeah, because I want ESLint too. Yeah. Or did I use Prettier before? I don't know. We'll come back to that. If I go to shipment index and I try to format, what happens? Okay. Looks okay. Did the Laravel extension work? Hold on. Says it's installed. If I go config, does it give me suggestions? It does, okay. Cool. So we're gonna go has state. Oh. Do I need IntelliFence or whatever still too, I guess? Guess so. Give me this. This is probably gotta be broken because I don't have PHP installed. No, it's indexing, okay. Maybe I do? I don't know. As states. There we go. That's what I was after. Cool. We're in. Alright, so going back here. For installation, we need to add a state field. Okay. Fail artisan, make migration. I don't know why this thing takes so long. It's like it feels like it takes a long. Oh. You know what? I might know why. I might need to give Docker more resources. Oh. General. Wait. Maybe? Oh, it's managed by Windows. Okay. I don't know. It feels slower than before, so but just my artisan commands. So I think maybe my Docker instance doesn't have as many resources or something. Shipment states field. Create shipment state. States field. No. Schema table. State. Cool. I guess it's not really knowable, right? I mean, there's always going to be a field, so I don't think it's actually knowable. I guess we gotta have a default, though. Oh. Yeah, that's a little weird, huh? There is no default. We just gotta do a fresh, you just gotta do a migrate. A fresh migrate. We're not at V1 yet. That's life. Yeah, I gotta create a shipment state. So, where did they say to put states? I think they said like under a states folder or something. Oh, maybe not. Oh wait, okay. Okay, to link the state together, you should list it as a cast. States can be figured out default value and register transitions. I don't think we want to put them inside of models. Although they are very tied to models. I'd be curious. They don't really say in here. Do I actually have two of the exact same sets of windows open? It's funny. Yeah, I wish it would. I mean, we can go wherever. It doesn't really matter that much. I just hate how everything is like so spread out in here. Like actions, customers, models, customers, helpers, or enums. I kind of wish we went the route of like app, customers, and then like all the enums, like all of it together. I like that better, I think. But we're here now, so I guess we're gonna go states. And then we'll go shipments. And then shipment state. Okay. Just gotta rip this out. Drop it in here. Shipment state. I will just burn parent config for now. That's fine. Is color actually? I think they added this, right? Like, I'm just making sure this isn't actually in here. No. Okay. All right. So we got shipment state. Cool. And then I'm assuming we create these, I'm assuming, right? Or no? Wait. Do we create all the different states? I thought we did, but states can configure how default value in your abstract. It's gotta be. They just don't, I'm just surprised they don't show like a use up here. Because I don't think you could actually do this, right? Yeah. Alright, hold on. Oh, they're not doing a use because it's in the same folder. That's why. States can be figured out a default value, enter register transitions. is done by implementing the config method. Okay. So I guess we just want to do its shipments, shipment state, and then I guess, do we just want to go like tendered? But then what is this? Hold on. Is it another state? Paid, here we go. It extends a payment state. Okay. Right, that makes sense. So then we go like this. Class tendered extends. Oh, you know what? There we go. Yeah. And then we do another one for accepted. And then another one for booked. And then another one for dispatched. What do we think? At pickup? Picked up. I think we do at pickup. What do you guys think? Should we I think we do at pickup. Because they're gonna be dispatched, they'll arrive, they'll be at pickup, and I think that's what we care about. And once they're loaded, they're gonna be on the way, so like we probably don't need loaded, we probably still go straight to in transit. At facility. Do you think we need to go that generic for at facility? Or should we do like at pickup? I think you'd want to be able to like see if a shipment is loaded or not, right? I mean, we could say like, can you reuse it for pickup and at delivery? I mean, we could, but do we want to do that though? I think people are gonna want to know the difference. So I'm thinking I think we go at pickup and at delivery. Yeah, because I think people are gonna like want to see it, and we could infer it by like maybe we add like a field for like loaded, like cargo loaded or something onto the shipment, so we could infer it. But yeah, I think we go at pickup. At pickup. And it can do, you know, more than one, that's fine. Like if you have like a multi-pick or something, you could be like at pickup, in transit, and at pickup or something. That's a really weird looking class name. I think this makes the most sense though. And then delivered. And then we also need rejected. Because I think we want to track if you reject the tender or not. Although, to be honest, we're kind of getting ahead of ourselves because we don't have... Nobody... I mean, it's like more EDI statuses. Do you have... Eldorado, do you have... any kind of like tendered tracking stuff, or is it just like a shipment's created and then like now it's like you dispatch it from there?
And I like his determination, and I like the fact that besides everything that he
Maybe we change it to just a pending status
always
for now.
submits himself.
Yeah, it's all manual.
To direct.
I'm thinking maybe we get rid of the tendered and everything for now, and we just change it to pending. And we get rid of accepted, rejected, and tendered. And then once we do EDI or like API automations, then we can get into adding a sets. Like instead of pending, we can go to, like if it's an EDI load, it doesn't go pending, it goes to tendered instead. And like those for a few states are just different. I think that makes more sense. So I'm gonna get rid of these for now. Okay, cool. Let me take a look. Inactive, not assigned, dispatch. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, that's beautifully simple. Yeah, so I think what we do is we go... I think we go pending. I think we get rid of these for now. Reject can go away. Tender can go away. In the future, when we have EDI and like we're actually getting tenders into the system, I know users are going to want to be able to like accept and reject them and have them automatically communicate back and yada yada. But for now, I think we just go pending. I guess it'll go pending, booked, pending, booked, dispatched. And booked will just happen when you add a carrier. Or like assigned raycon, I guess, depending on what you want to do exactly. But I think we go pending. Pending. And then we can make this the default. So we go to shipment state and we go... default. Pending. What? Cursor like removed, wait, did it? Or did I just typo that? Allow transition. Wait, transitions. Oh wait, can I do like a bunch at once? How does this work? Configuring states. Transition. Transitions. Here we go. Oh, perfect. This is what I want. That's way better. Can I do an array? I wonder if it would... I'm assuming this is like, yeah, pending 2 failed, right? Okay. So I can go pending class. There is no accepted. Reindex cursor. Okay, am I doing this? Am I just doing one, or is cursor breaking me? It could be either. I don't know. I guess just like but anyway. I think we go pending to booked. Yeah. Booked, dispatch to at pickup to we didn't do it in transit. Let me do it in transit. Okay. In transit, that's better. So dispatch to at pickup, and then we do at pickup to in transit, and then in transit to at delivery to delivered. That's it for that. We don't have rejected. We do have canceled. Oh, we didn't add canceled. Got it canceled. Canceled. Is it 1L or 2? What's the right spelling? Fight in the comments. Is there a way to do like anything? How do we do like anything? Let's ignore same state. I'm a 1L Andy. Nice. It's okay to me when I handle transition to the same state without setting main. You can call it ignore same state. Okay. I don't know why you would ever do that, but allow all transitions. No, I don't think we want to do that. I want to allow anything. I might have to go look at the code. I want to allow anything to go to canceled. I think. Let me take a look here. Source. State config maybe? Allow transitions, okay. I wish I could pass something to this. How much do you want to bet there's... Wait, is there no issues open on this thing? Oh, is it like one of those you gotta open a discussion instead? Easy way to allow all transitions. Yeah, okay. This is from 2022. So this is 3 years ago. I implemented this. Wait, can you do it now? Wait, this is for anything though. It's for specific. I'd like to just say like anything can go to cancel, but I don't want to like lose the other ones. They cross. Okay, yeah, they actually wanted everything. Okay, this doesn't matter. We'll just manually do it. Can I do this twice? Allow transitions. Yeah. Is that all of them? Wait, pending, booked, dispatched, at pickup, in transit. And at delivery, okay. Pending, booked, dispatched, at pickup, in transit, at delivery, and delivered. Okay. Hopefully that works. Default's pending. So let's go. Okay, so now if we go, what is it? Sale, artisan, dev, refresh. Is the command we set up right? Oh. No, wait, yeah, this should be fine. See how slow it is? I'm missing like, and it must be like low on resources or something. Uh oh. Wait. Did I do something stupid? I did. I'm pretty sure they said to do string for that. We can double check. 99% sure though. Look how slow this is. It takes forever. What's wrong? Integrity constraint, not null constraint. Where? Demo environment. Factory. Shipment. I assumed the default would like take care of that. Oh, that's probably why. Third time's the charm? Yeah. Dude, what? Is it that same thing? App state, shipment state, basic, class A does not extend. Oh, did I mess up these? Did I mess these up? Oh my gosh, I did. Wait, no. Shipment state. Wait, what's wrong? Does not extend the class A. What? Class A? What the heck? What is class A? Class A? I have like a typo in here. Shipment state. Hold on, let me just double check the, Wait, did I close this on accident? Whoops. Let's take a look here. I probably have something wrong with the configuration. Payment state, extend state, abstract class, payment state. Did I do that? Yeah. State config. Okay. Has states. Let's throw this on there too. Shipment. I mean, it's gonna help regardless. Set class. It's like I definitely have some goofy thing going on here. Pending. Your allow trend doesn't have an outer array. Oh, good call. That could be it. Yeah, that's it. Nice. That's gotta be it. It's a bug regardless. Hopefully it's that one. Thank you. I gotta figure out why this is so slow. Yeah, oh, sweet. Okay, that was it. Nice. Let me create a fail artisan run, or actually it's gonna say artisan at the end. Install. Pair programming, that's right. Why did I do sale artisan? I'm such an idiot. It's so slow. What are you saying? Chugging. Absolutely chugging. I definitely want to give this thing more. I think it's not using enough resources. Use all the resources. Also, why did this start in Bash versus... Oh, it's the same. It's just lying to me. No. I want to go to localhost. There we go. Alright, test.com. Do not save this. Thank you, though. Ever. Very good, very good. The dark mode looks horrible. Get me out of here. Problem for another day. Okay, cool. So we should have a state in here now. We could do status. We'll throw it in status really quick. Hold on. Okay, so we go shipment show. Oh, okay, wait. We gotta do a couple things. We gotta go shipment resource. Shipment, helps if I spell it correctly. We'll go state. You know what else we missed? We gotta add an alias to all these. So that it's not like the class name. How did we do that again? Configuring states. Alias. Maybe here? Alias. Am I crazy? Alias. No, you're lying to me. I know. We read that together, right? It's in here. Don't lie to me. I know it's in here. I thought it'd be under here. It's probably like name or something. It's like a property. All right, I'll just look at what the base state is. It's probably in there. State. Dang it, it's not obvious. Maybe it's in the config or something? No, it wouldn't be in there. Dang it, what? I'm not crazy, I swear. I swear it's in here. Configuring. I know this is in here somewhere. Alias. Alias. I swear they even like called it alias. Alias. Is it in like install or something? Alias. What is wrong? I swear. Maybe not? Maybe I'm crazy. The copy's getting to me? I don't know. I swear we even saw it be like, oh, you can do transition to like this. Does that come back? Transition. I'm trying, but it's it didn't come back with anything. I swear it was like you can define an alias. Oh wait, what is this? Wait, custom default transition class? Oh, I see. I don't see it. Yeah, I mean, I tried to search. I could just be missing it. It might have been called something else, maybe, or something. I swear they said, like, alias. Like, you could give it... I thought they used the term... Wait. Here we go. Okay, is alias on this page? Apparently I made up alias. That's where my mistake was. Public static name. Dang it. Does that have to be one word? You may add static name, which will use to serialize the state. Do not use a hyphen. Maybe I just give it a label instead. Maybe we give it a shipment state a label. That feels kind of cleaner, I think. Abstract, public, okay, label. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Yeah, this is better. I don't want to like mess with the alias having a space in the database and stuff. That just feels... And then like the way it serializes in the database is going to get tied to like how we display it, and like we'll just add a label. And we'll go ahead and just make this... I think we just make state. I think we just grab the label. Yeah. And the resource. Then we jump over to our front end. We need to make the thing... I need to do this. We need to do the thing where it'll auto create the types for our resources, so we don't have to keep doing this. Of course, that's probably going to just add more things that break, but... Ah, dang, you know, we probably do want to do some logic around the shipment state in the future, huh? Do we want to make it an enum? Dang it. I think it's gonna like happen right away that we're gonna want to do that, but and we'll change it into an enum at that point. Let's just see if this works first. Jump back to show status in here somewhere. It's in the partial probably. Shipment general status. Shipment header. There it is. I don't think we need to put state there. I think we just do shipment state. What are you not happy about? Does not exist on shipment. Well, I think that's a lie. Wait, what, really? It's really saying that? Shipment. Wait, did I just put state in the wrong place? What's wrong with me? Alright, yeah, so there we go. So it's pending. Alright. Well, let's do this then. We need like a label. Wait, didn't I make a label? Isn't this supposed to be a label? This state label. Wait, what? Is that actually like a default property? On state? Label. No? How's that happening? Are we not passing in a shipment resource? We must not be. So if I go to shipment controller, shipment show. So this is probably gonna break some stuff off. Carrier and customers. What's in a shipment resource? So gonna break stuff. Shipment resource. Okay. Looks okay at first glance. Yeah, I think that's alright. Cool. Cool. And we got pending. Then we can add like a little icon if we want or whatever too. Let's get this out first. Alright. Take a look real quick. We got a new thing, making that a shipment resource, adding our state. We're gonna change this in a second, I think. Adding all that stuff. Oh. No, let's push it first, and we'll tweak it. Our states. Looks good. Looks good. Alright, cool. Alright. This is probably gonna take so long to run because it's like so slow right now. But we're gonna run it real quick. See what it looks like. Wait, did we get an error? No. Oh, first try? Honestly, didn't expect it. Oh, great. Cheap viewers. I actually tried to add a bot that I thought was going to take care of that for us. No dice though. Hold on, let's see if this works. There's actually a command, I think, that I added in this new bot. See if it works. So I think, see if it works. I don't know if that actually worked. I guess I'm not in chat. Let's see. You know, the other thing is it's only on Twitch. Let's see. I need to get a bot that like will take care of this. pause with me for 1 second while I investigate this. How can I not? Am I just stupid? Possibly. Maybe. Maybe. See, this is where I need Chase. He's the guy that does all this stuff. That's okay, I guess. I mean, it's like a losing battle, I think, at this point, but anyway. I'll nuke them. And let me see if I can get you access. Hold on 1 second. Let's see here. One sec. I'll get you mod. Hold on. Here we go. Roles manager. Oh. You see the bot in here, right? What is it? Stream elements. Ah, that's probably why it didn't work before. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get you access to the other auto in a sec. Hold on, let me make sure I'm... One moment. At L. I think this is you. We'll know right away, I guess, huh? Alright, you probably gotta refresh. But I think you should, I think, have maybe have fun. Oh, sorry, I missed this. I'll nuke them. Maybe have fun Friday and make a Twitch pod that auto does it. You can add to that if they have stream boo in the message. Yeah. Yeah, I had oh, that's what I should do is it's a good call. Hold on, I'll add this. I think I forgot to add the bot I have set up. I'm using stream elements. I think I forgot to give it mod permissions. I thought it already did it automatically, but I don't. Now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look like it did. So let me add banned words. Banned words. Add a new phrase. Stream. Let's do. It's like the same exact phrase every time, isn't it? Pretty much. Go. Wait, can I, oh. Stream boo ban. They changed up the characters and the cheap viewers part. Yeah, I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna do on stream boo as the phrase. I guess. And that will ban the user. Which I'm assuming will also delete the message, probably. I don't know. I guess we'll see if it happens again. Now it's turned on. Does nuke user work now? Hold on, nuke user. Oh. See if this works now. I'm using it through Restream too, which also could be like freaking it out. Stream manager. I don't know. That's okay. That's all right. We can move on. I think it'll block them now. I guess we'll find out. Speaking of, so I got the bot set up. That was one of the things I added with the new computer. I want to also get better transitions set up, so I'm going to do that soon. I was messing with it a little bit, just didn't get it fully finished, but we'll have some fancier transitions. And now we can do gaming streams on this laptop. got a 4090 in it. So. Oh, wow. Twitch already banned that guy. I literally just got an email saying we've actioned on your report and determined it's a violation of our terms of service. They must have it automated. If they have it that automated, why don't they just block that message? Oh, Twitch. Anyway, alright. Moving on. Alright, so what I'm thinking is let's create a shipment state type. And an index. Maybe it's a resource. Wait, what's this? Oh. I think I was using that nuke user thing wrong. I see it now. Okay. There's actually like a pop-up in my command to do that. Okay, cool. I literally just happened to see it just now. But anyway, Eldorado, you got mod now, so feel free to delete those or whatever you want to do. Appreciate your help. Appreciate it. So we've got pending. I guess we want to add state transitions, basically. How automated do we want to make it? So we want to have like, I'm trying to think, what are the options? So like you want to dispatch, right? We changed this. So now it's pending dispatch at pickup, in transit, at delivery, delivered, canceled. I think that was it. So pending, you probably want a dispatch button. At pickup will be automatic. In transit can be automatic. We'll just do like a left pickup that field. At delivery will be automatic. Delivered will be automatic. So I guess we really just need like a dispatch and a canceled button. So we can probably go... let me think. Basically, if the... maybe we do state label. Like this. Or I think we're going to. Shipment resource. Did we push stuff out? Yeah, we did. Okay, cool. Alright. I think that's better. State label. And then we'll go state. I'm curious what this is gonna do. If I go here and go like this, it should show up here now, I think. Okay, so it's the full thing. I guess we could pass states in, right? And then we could just say like, we could go like this. We could go show. I don't think we want to pass in here. I think we want to be like, oh, we're also going to want like undispatch, right? Yeah, I think we're going to want that as well. Laravel PHP's for Adam. I'm just doing HTML. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Keeping it simple is always solid, honestly. Hey, thanks for the follow, Aaron. I appreciate it. But yeah, no, I mean, nothing wrong with that. Keeping it simple is refreshing. Yeah, it's, you know, I think Laravel is handy for like big enterprise stuff, but, I mean, that's why HTMX got so popular, right? Because it's just so simple. Like, and it's nothing wrong with that. All right, so I'm thinking for this, I want to basically pass an if they can dispatch or not to like show the button. I mean, we could go here in the header and say like if the type.
Tag team match. Tag team.
Maybe we do actually add aliases to the, hold on, if I go, let me do pending really quick and see what it looks like. So if I go pending and I go, what was it? It was like name something, right? Hold on. I just want to see what this comes back as. If I go like this. Whoa, that's a weird error. Actually got like a symphony error. Alright, well, whatever. That's fine. We don't need to do all this. I think we just go, I don't know. Where is, generate rate con at? Let's find that really quick. It's in the header too. Okay, cool. So I think we just go dispatch. And we can go, yeah. CA wants to do that. I agree. Basically, want to go button. I don't know. Whatever. Dispatch. What should this be? Why is it being weird? There we go. I hate that. Truck. How about there's like a fast truck icon or like a smoke. There's a smoke alarm icon. That's actually kind of funny. Whatever. Error rate's fine for now. I don't really love it, but we don't need to overthink this for now. We'll come back. All right, so I think we do need to add state enums. Wind, yeah. Is there a wind one? Wind. There is a wind one. It's not quite what I was after. That's a good idea, though. That's fine. We'll just leave it error right for now. Okay. So let's add enums here. I guess we're just gonna add them for. I don't really love this. Shipment state. I can see like maybe we need to make the alias. How many states do we have? Ending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh wait, we don't want booked. Or wait. Yes, we do, right? Wait, is that in our state? Pending to booked. Oh yeah, we do. Okay. So we have 7, 8, 3, 8. Okay. All right. I think we add the alias. Yep. I think we're gonna do it. I think. Hey. We'll have to rerun the migration and everything, but. This way, the enums on the front end won't have to worry about like the full path name. So like if we do a refactor or something in the future or whatever, we don't have to worry about the enums getting way out of sync. It is extremely manual though, which I don't love. But 3, 6, 7, 8. But I think it'll be better. Will there be capability to change the status in case you dispatch truck and they break down? Yeah. What do you like to undispatch it basically? Is that what you're saying? Like go back to. We'll have a. We haven't talked about this at all, but yeah, we'll have like a carrier fallout process or bounce or whatever you call it. I feel like everybody calls it something different. We'll have a process for that, and we'll probably make that go back to pending, I guess, in that case. That's where things get tricky with the state machine, so I don't want to get too wild with like making the state machine too rigid. But I think we want to process for you have a fallout. I mean, that's a huge functionality we need. It's actually a really good call out. We should do that this week. I'll make a ticket. Make a ticket right now. Carrier fallout bound functionality. That's a good call out. We'll do that one this week. I know that's one people will use, so. And yeah, it'll maybe go to, I guess it'll go back to pending. And then basically, like, maybe what we'll do is we'll say, if you fall out, I mean, you've got to pass it through all the fields. So if you fall out, or bounce the carrier, I mean, they could pick up and break down. You have to do like a, actually, that's a good question. Eldorado, if they pick up and they're halfway to delivery and they break down, do you send a truck? How do you handle that normally? You just send a truck to unhook, like they unhook and the truck comes and picks that trailer up right there where they broke down? Or do you have to go to like a cross dock facility, or like what's the typical like SOP for that situation? Or does it just always depend? Because that'll impact how the bounce works, I think. I'm just thinking, for me, it always depends. I move exclusively spot free, so every time it's a different. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. Because like I guess in that case where they have a trailer loaded, you could always like cancel the load. I don't know. That'd be a tricky situation. I think as long as we add the ability to bounce a carrier, we'll probably be fine. People can figure it out. A few months ago, I had a truck catch fire with my freight on it. It burned the whole cab down. Whoa, that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. I actually didn't realize that Restream has a bunch of stuff. Yeah, that's crazy though. All right. Well, yeah, for now we'll add a carrier bounce and it'll just bounce the carrier, and maybe for now we'll just record a carrier bounce and like we can turn that into like optional payment at the accounting system stuff next week. Maybe we won't force that back into a booked or pending state. Or maybe we'll ask when you do it. Maybe we'll be like, do you want to go back to, do you need to book a new carrier? Like go back to pending? I don't know. We'll figure that flow out a little bit later probably. Okay, cool. Anyway, this looks good. So let's go shipment state. This is gonna be a shipment state. Oh. That's good. In my TMS, if I do that, I have a copy load button. Yeah. Oh, do we not have... I just realized we don't have a copy load button, do we? Wait, do we not? how did we miss a... Wait, is there really not a way to copy loads? Wait, where did our shipments go? Exactly. Well, it doesn't look like we have a copy loads button, so that is another one we should definitely add. I can't believe I haven't done that yet, to be honest. Oh, it's because of that. Okay. Artist and dev fresh. I gotta figure out how to give this thing more resources. Thinking. Yeah, copy load button makes sense. See if it works now. There we go. Yeah, we definitely need a copy load button. For sure. For sure. Okay. We might even have a ticket for that. I'll be shocked if we don't even have a ticket. Copy load. Oh wait, hold on. Search, filter, team, TMS, copy. I really don't have a copy load ticket, huh? Copy load functionality. Well, we do now, because that for sure has to happen. We'll send that for next week. I don't want to commit to too much, but a good plugin would be a load templating system. Yeah, that would be so easy too. I feel like that would be so easy. Like, that'd be a good plugin. You're totally right. Totally right. Okay. So we got state label. So then we go back to the header. Go state. Oops. State label. Boom. Pending. All in. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh, did the stream crash on Twitter? Or is it working? Oh no, it's working. I think Twitter's having some issues. Okay. Cool. Just keeping an eye out. First stream on the setup, so cool. Alright, let's get back to this thing. Got that ticket created. Time is it? 3:30? Yeah, let's get this thing cooking. Alright, so we got those states in place. I think we want to transition states automatically. Right? Mostly. Except for canceled and except for dispatched. And for those, I think we go shipments, and I think we literally just go... I think we just create a new dispatch shipment. Like, let's just keep it simple. We don't have to get crazy. And it's just literally going to be like, give me the shipment, state, no, it's dispatched class. Yeah, I think we can just go. No rules, don't need that. Yep, looks great. Let's jump back to web. Shipments. And just go. Is it a patch? I guess so. Dispatch shipment. And then we go back to general. Or sorry, not general header. And then we go if equals shipment state enums from our enums we listed. If it's pending, we want to do dispatch shipment. I think we'll just go. Is the router in here already from? No, actually, hold on. Let me go. Dispatch shipment. What do we do? We're redirecting back. Okay. Cool. I think we just go. Well, we don't need any of this. Yeah, just this. And it should. I think that might just work. Let's try this. Transitor pending to dispatch is not found. Register states. Oh. Wait. Oh, maybe that allow transitions twice. Maybe you can't call that twice. That's okay. Shipment state. I guess we don't really need to do that twice. Just do it like that. Let's try that. Let's probably do it. No? Shipment state transition to dispatched. Transition from pending to dispatched on model. Did you forget to register it in register states? Do I have to? Wait, I thought it. Let me make sure this is actually not missing. Pending to dispatched. Oh, it goes to booked. That's right. Pending to booked to dispatched. Right. Right, of course. Maybe we just say it can't go. I don't know if we actually care about having a booked state, or we just go pending to dispatched. No, because you're going to want to be able to find loads that aren't covered yet. I think that's the thing. So I think this makes sense. So I think we need to actually go... Yeah, I think this does make sense. Then we go back down here. Where's it at? Here we go. So this is actually booked. And then when our shipment factory... I think we change these. Shipment factory. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, wait. Shipment state. Booked. Oh, wait, that's not right either. It's just booked. Class. Alright, okay. We're there. I think that's what we want. This makes sense to me. Yes. Nuke it. Okay. Now, I gotta log back in. Okay, we are booked. Because we have a carrier. Dispatch. Let's go! Look at that. Boom. Dispatched. On the way. Let's add it to our data table and list. Shipment list. Don't care about any of that. We just want to go to columns. And we probably want to add a column right next to the number with the state, most likely, I'm thinking. Oop. So like this, do that, like this. Accessor key. Yeah, that's fine. Look at that. Love it. Love it. We'll add colors, obviously. I know brokers love their colors for states, okay? So we'll definitely allow them some custom color stuff going on in here. For now though, this is fine. It works. And then I think we'll update it. Let me push this up real quick. Add dispatch working, default, shipment, factory to booked. Okay. Looking good, looking good. Okay. So we need to take care of all the different stuff we can do. So we need to do, let me think about this. We need to add a canceled button, so let's do that. We'll add a canceled action. Cancel load. Actions, shipments. Cancel shipment. I'm not gonna lie, I thought AI would just do everything I needed here. I know that's lazy of me. Okay. Cool. Looks great. Jump over the web. Add a cancel. Cancel shipment. Cancel. Did I do something wrong? Cancel. There it is. Cancel shipment. That looks so good. Yeah, thanks, man. I think it's coming together. Hey, we got like a month-ish, and then we're gonna release like the first. We're gonna tag like, I don't know, first alpha maybe or something. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll call it V1. We'll see where it's at. We'll see how the accounting side is. If I feel good about it being a full replacement for someone working in Google Sheets, it's getting called V1. But I have to feel confident that like I feel someone can actually go in and use this, even though it'll have certain rough edges, I'm sure. As long as I feel that way, though, we'll tag it V1. There will be a version in April, though. 100% they could. Nice, I love it. I love it. Pumps me up, dude. Pumps me up. Okay. So we've got cancel action. Let's add a cancel button to the header. We'll probably add a permission to this. Hold on. Looking at our permissions. I know we had like edit, shipment edit. Yeah, so we need to like do this too, huh? If they can edit as well. And how did we do that permission check before? Wait, did we not add all this? I thought we did. Oh, we didn't add the front end, did we? We never did. We gotta go do that still, too. So it'll properly not show the edit stuff if they don't have permission. Okay. Well, that's okay for now, so we'll come back anyway. Oh, hey, we can do, we can use our fancy button. What is it? It's like confirm button that we made, remember? Confirm button. Variant equals on confirm cancel shipment. Why would I want to be like a, yeah, like an X or something. What is like the version of, what is the, hold on a second here. What's my default that I'm using here? Because it feels not that great. Oops. Do I have like a different model it's using by default? I don't know. It feels like my auto suggested things like in the editor. They don't feel as good today. For whatever reason. I don't know. That's fine. That's fine. We'll do a cancel shipment really quick up here. Cancel shipment. Same deal. Should be fine. Oh, look at that. Love it. Canceled. Boom. We probably want like an uncancel as well, huh? Shipment.state does not equal. Yes. Yeah, we probably want an uncancel. It's like the exact same thing, just the opposite. And if you uncancel it, I don't know. We won't mess with that right now. I think we're going to want that in the future. But we probably want it to go back to the previous state. So we probably need to like track that somehow. I don't know. That feels like going too much off the rails for today. I also feel like we should do... This should be like a extra like dot expand here. I don't know how, I don't remember how to do that. Menu. Like an action something, right? Hold on. We do this in the data tables, right? Somewhere. Right? Didn't we do this somewhere? I swear we did this somewhere. Is it under like roles or something? Here we go. So it's under roles table. Roles table. Was it this? Menu. Yeah. Drop down menu. I think we added the drop down menu confirm too, right? I think so. So I think we want to go drop down menu. Yeah, I want to cancel in there. Yep. This. Wasn't there like a confirm drop down menu or something we made? Confirm drop down. Confirm drop down menu item, that's what it was. Confirm drop down menu item. No variant. See if this works. So we go shipments. Boom. We'll change this up. Oh, that did not work. Oh, it's already canceled. That's why. Nice. Is there a variant we can do here? Variant. No. Is it the menu? Oh, right. Duh. It's this that we want. Cancel shipment. Yeah, there we go. Nice. Oh, look at that. This the confirm that we made the other day is working great. Boom. And then we'll make see, is there anything else we would want in there? In that ... I guess we'll have the uncancel. Yeah, I guess we'll have the uncancel. Will it ever be empty? Nah. Let's just do a drop down menu item, and we're gonna do cancel shipment, and then we'll do like a, I don't know, like a cycle fresh thing. The candy, they have a candy cane icon. Oh, we'll find a use for that one day. Dude, look at all these things. A candy icon. It's great. I guess we want like an undo, probably, huh? Probably makes more sense. And then we'll just make this, yeah, like that. And then we're gonna go disable true for now. So that's just not supported yet. But then in the future, we'll be able to do that. I just think if you uncancel it right now, it needs to go back to the previous state, probably. I mean, I guess it could go back to, like, basically booked. Maybe it would just go back to booked if there's a carrier, or... But if you already have fields in the stop, like, there's a lot of considerations to be made there. That's okay for today. Okay, cool. So we got cancel. So we got pending. We got, we need to go pending to booked. Yeah. So we need to go, update shipment. I guess for now, we'll just say if you add a carrier, we'll consider it booked. Realistically, I think we're going to want to have like a signed the rate con step in there. So that basically you add a carrier that triggers a rate con, or you can send a rate con. And maybe there's like they signed, like, there's probably like a step in there that people are going to want to be like, upload the signed rate con, or like automated through the system electronic e-sig, and then from there it just will mark it booked. But for now we will just make it so if you add a carrier, we can add all that fanciness later. So with all that said, let's go to update shipment. Do we have a carrier? We do. Update shipment carrier. Okay. I think we go if shipment state, or maybe we go event based. Yeah, what do you think? Ooh, that's tempting. Maybe we go event based. So basically, if, like, when a shipment, we do like a carrier change event. Event might be the move, yeah. I think we do. I think we create events. We don't have any events yet. What do we have? Let's push out what we got really quick. Cancel shipment. Yeah, I think we're good here. Cancel shipment support. Okay. Yeah, I think we go. I think we can do sale, artisan, make, event. Can we do this? Dude, it takes like I gotta figure this out. So I think we go shipments. Carrier changed. Wait, what did they call it? Is it processed? Yeah, okay. Shipments, carrier changed. Carrier changed. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Gonna have a shipment. Okay. Yep. And then gonna make listener. It's so slow. What should the listener be? Send podcast notification. I think this is gonna be do we centralize it with like a shipment state listener? And then there's like one shipment state listener that's listening for all the different events, basically, right? Maybe like shipment state listener, because that, of course, that makes it sound like you're listening for like the shipment state change. Send podcast notification. It's like update shipment state. Okay, we'll add that in a minute. Yeah, we'll probably add this under shipments again. I guess we should do shipment carrier changed, huh? Shipment carrier changed. Shipment carrier changed. Alright, and now I gotta remember how we define these. It changed recently, I think. Oh no, that's fine. You plan a associative directory with plan a list in a different directory or within multiple directories. You may instruct Laravel to scan those directories. Oh, does it automatically happen? Okay, maybe it just happens. Let's try this. So if I go carrier changed event, and then I can say switch pipe get class event, this handle carrier changed. Oh, this is what I wanted to do. Handle carrier change, then we go sure, protected function handle carrier change, and then we go if carrier change should have the shipment in it, so we should go if event shipment state is equal to booked event shipment state transition to, or I'm dumb, is equal to pending class, then we go to booked. Okay, so basically this event listener, let's hold on, so it said it can go sale artisan event list, right? Yeah. So basically the idea is our action will create a carrier change event with the shipment. When that happens, the event will then fire and update the shipment. Carrier changed. Yeah, look, it's automatically found and linked. Beautiful. Beautiful. There's that magic, right? I was talking about. That's definitely one of those scenarios. Okay. So this looks okay. So then, on, update shipment, carrier details. I like this better. I prefer this over putting it all into some kind of like model listener thing, because I don't like when you go in and if you like manually update a model, it's going to trigger a bunch of stuff. I think going intentionally through the actions feels cleaner, because then you know I'm doing an action that's like housing business logic. I expect this to be handling other stuff, versus if I'm just going into like going shipment.carrierID equals something, I don't expect other stuff to happen. So basically like the interface for the plugin system, we're only going to expose the actions probably for modification things, or like maybe only the verified plugins, like that'll be a requirement for like verification, like approval. That way there's not magic stuff happening behind the scenes or like some unexpected stuff, because that's where you run into collisions with plugins and yada yada yada. Imagine if a plugin is changing states without going through the proper like action, and so it gets out of sync somehow and like causes bugs. Like by forcing them through that actions path, we can have a little bit more expected functionality, I guess we'll say. So that's why I prefer this method, I think. But so now, if I have a shipment that is pending, or the other way too, right? Can you not remove a carrier? I don't think you can actually remove a carrier right now. No, you can't. I think I did that intentionally, expecting us to have like a fallout method in the future. But let's go, let me think here. Maybe we can create a shipment, I guess. I don't really want to go through all this, I'll be honest. Is a carrier required? Carrier is required, huh? We should change that. Before we do that, I have a faster way. Let's just go to shipment factory, or sorry, let's go to where it's like demo environment cedar. Let's create a couple shipments. Let's do this. Shipment factory. And let's go public function with carrier. Is that how this works? Is that actually right? I don't know if that's right. We'll try it. So then if I get rid of this,
And I like his determination.
what happens?
And I like the fact
Sale, artisan, refresh. Wait, hold on.
that he tries to do, he always submits himself and asks God to direct and to guide.
Let's do like,
So I like that humble heart.
or let's do like 7 with carriers and 3 without, and then we'll go shipment factory, state. Wait, can I go pending? And then here, can I go date booked? Hopefully, that'd be nice. Like overwrite it. Hopefully it goes in order of action, basically. Let's try it. So hopefully this will create us like 7 that have carriers and then like 3 that don't. At least that's the theory here. Ah, yeah, first try would have been nice. Wait, we have not null on carrier, really? Well, all right then. That's definitely not what we want. Let's go sail artisan. Let's just make another migration for this. I think honestly, 'cause that's pretty far back. Carrier is definitely nullable. Make carrier nullable on ship. All right. Yes. Good. Sail artisan. Migrate. Actually, doesn't matter. We'll just do a refresh again. This takes so long. I gotta figure that out. Where are we at? 4 o'clock? Alright, we're almost there. Oops. So if this works, we should be able to... I think the rest of these will be pretty quick. We'll see. Yes. Cool. So fingers crossed. Gotta log in. Uh-oh. Is it because there is a missing carrier? Probably. Cannot read property of null. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be it. Okay, so we gotta go to shipment table, shipment list. Shipment list. I guess it's columns, carriers probably. Yeah. Okay, so carrier is nullable. There we go. We can probably go. Okay. This is broken too. Let's just go carrier dot, see what comes back. Okay. Carrier details. Shipments, here we go. Oh, this is gonna break some stuff, I think. Set data. Yeah, they're gonna want this to be something, I think. Or I think for our linter to pass, we'll have to make a couple tweaks there. But now we have an empty carrier. It did work though. Look, we got some booked, some pending. So now theoretically, if I go here, so let's see. Interesting. So that did not cause. Did I mess something up? Hold on. It should be like that. Let's go logger. So handling carrier. And let's go logger info update shipment state listener running the event. Sure, that's fine. Jump over to Laravel logs. Okay. So this should happen if I just change it even. Okay, so that's not working. And it's because this isn't emitting an event. Shipment carrier changed. Oh, we renamed it, remember? We renamed it. Yep. I'm surprised that didn't throw an error before that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm surprised I didn't throw another error, to be honest. That's very surprising to me. Okay, so now if I change this to anything else, it shouldn't matter. Actually, I probably can just save it here. No? Well, let me try changing it, make sure. Okay. I mean, it's trying. Wait. No, it's still pending. Update shipment state, handling carrier. Do I need to save after I, wait, do I have to save after I do a transition? Transition to... I don't hear. I don't hear. If shipment state is pending class, maybe I go else. Not transitioning to booked. Okay, try this. Laravel. Okay, not okay. So shipment state is not equaling pending. What is it equaling then? State, shipment state. Edit, save. Oh. Weird. Wait, yeah, that's super weird. I wonder if this has something to do with it being serialized. Was there helpers for this? Maybe there's a helper we need to do. I thought it would just handle that comparison though. Retrieving transitionable. I guess we could do a can transition to. I wonder if that'll work. Doesn't equal pending. That's annoying. Yeah, that's something goofy with like how it's serializing, I think. Actually, I'm curious. Sale thinker, let's see. It's gonna take forever. I'm just gonna do it through the command line and see if I grab a shipment and just print the state out. If that, if it's weird like that, or if it's what I expect. I gotta log in first. Off. Log in, user, first. So let's just go shipment, first, state. Okay, it's booked. Equals. So can I go app, states, shipments, booked, class. Am I crazy? App, state, wait. Booked. App, states, shipments. Okay, that's... I mean, I don't think that should be... Is it like... Do I have to do class? Do I have to do a class comparison? I was hoping it would just take care of that for me. You'll need to make sure they can be resolved back in order to the patch card you keep abstract state class. Wait. That's okay. That's fine. That's something for a year or two from now when we try to not do this and like pull them in different folders. We're like, why doesn't it work now? That's what that's gonna be. But for now, it's fine. Dang. Okay. So like, I guess I need to do. I have this. I have the cast in here, right? I mean, I thought so. State shipment. Yeah. So I guess I just need to do this. Equals. Yeah. Okay. That's a little unfortunate, but can live with it, I guess. I guess what you really want to do is wait, should let's try it real quick. Booked. Boom. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's a little unfortunate. There's like a helper that I'm not using that I'm supposed to be using or something. I'm not sure. But this is working pretty nicely. And these are all events, so we can actually hook a WebSocket to this in the future and make the front end live refresh like super easy because these are all events that'll get emitted. So that's pretty cool. Cool, and then dispatch. So now we can get the dispatched. So now I need to make it that when I update arrived at. When I update arrived at, yeah. I think we'll do after the first pickup. After the first pickup, from then forward, it's either at pickup, in transit, or at delivery. If you have a multi-pick, the caveat there basically being that after it's been loaded, like if it's in transit, you know it's been loaded. Because when it's dispatched, it's an empty trailer, right? It's just been dispatched for the load, but it's not done and it's just on the way. But then after, so we'll basically make it after the first pickup, it will turn into either in transit or at pickup or at delivery. So we'll say, so this looks pretty good. Let me push this out. Let me check really quick, make sure that looks good. Get rid of these things we're not using. Yeah, we made carrier nullable. There's probably other things we need to think about on that side of things, but booked state once a carrier is added. I guess when you create a load, the default state should be based on, it should be booked already if it has carrier on it. You should code a better Call of Duty. Hey, what's up, Mega? Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine where it's at. Hopefully, hopefully EA will come out. Battlefield will be good this time. I'm holding out hope. I know it's not really the same thing, but I could go for a good Battlefield game. That'd be awesome. All right, it's 4:10. Let's get these done. We're close. We're super close. I want to get all the states working today. I think that's a good goal. So we can do at pickup once the first pickup is arrived at. So let's go actions. Let's go shipments, update shipment, stops. So we're doing an update across all of them on save. So I think what we want to do, Okay, I think we're okay. So I think we'll do a new event. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Shipment stops. Oh man, we should have called this updated, huh? Let's change that really quick. Shipment carrier changed. Go. Shipment carrier changed. Change this to shipment carrier updated. Okay. So shipment stops. Same thing. I think we'll just pass the shipment. That's simple. Carriers, we'll do stops. And we'll just go. Yep. Cool. And then we'll go listeners. I wonder if we should call these listeners. Like, should we add listener to the end? I don't know. Oh, right. I don't need a new one. We're using the same one. So we just go shipment stops updated. And we just go like this. Stops updated. And then I think we're just gonna like calculate the state basically at this point. Oh yeah, I forgot to add my virtual pet back with my plugins. I'll have to set that back up on the stream. I forgot. That's funny. I think we'll just calculate it. So like basically we'll say if event. Let's go shipment equals event shipment. Does shipment have like a first stop in here yet? Stops. Okay, stops have an order, I think, right? Stop number, yeah. So we go first. Stops first. So we say if it's dispatched. What do you think about this? If shipment is dispatched and first stop is arrived at, then change to at pickup. If first stop it has a left at and oh, I know what we do actually. Let me think about this. Okay, might be a simpler way to do this because we can do get current stop, which is basically the first stop where there's not an arrived at, and where it's not left at, or sorry, where it has arrived but it has not left. So if get current stop, okay, this is a little complicated, but I think it's gonna be good. So we go current stop equals let's get current stop, and we can say if we'll go first stop too. First stop, and then we say if current stop can I get I don't want to accidentally change a state, but I guess we'll have the state machine checks in place anyway, so that'll be okay. Basically what I'm thinking is we can get the current stop. So basically if current stop would be it's arrived somewhere and it hasn't left. So I think we just say current stop and we go if current stop. Yep. So basically, if it's a delivery, wait, why is this unhappy? If I think this is fine, right? Pick up. Yeah, I think it's like breaking the complete. Okay, so basically, if there's a current stop, it's at a location. So basically, we just set it to equal to. It's either at the pickup or it's at the delivery. One of the two. Okay. And we can return here. Else we say if, so yeah, that'd be where it's not null. Okay, so then otherwise we'd say get the next stop, and if the next stop this feels really ugly. I think we're gonna change this up probably. If we are if the next stop, that would mean it's dispatched, so we're already in dispatch. Basically, if next stop, if shipment next stop does not equal current stop ID, or sorry, first stop. Shipment stops first ID. No, we want to transition to in transit. Basically, so the way this would essentially work is we're dispatched. All right, now you've changed you're changing a stop, you're adding an arrived at. If you add an arrived at, then that means we're going to have a current stop. If we add an arrived at but not a left at, that means it's going to have a current stop. This is going to return a stop. And if it's a pickup, we change it to at pickup. If it's a delivery, change it at delivery. Yeah, so something weird here. I gotta think about this because we're gonna probably want to omit an at pickup in the, like, if you're, like, we probably need to step it through the actual states. Because imagine if you build a plugin with, like, you want something to happen every time that, like, the shipment's at a pickup. If we allow them to just open, hey, we forgot to mark it was at pickup. Whoops, it's at dispatch right now. We'll change it to now it's at the delivery. If we just transition straight to delivery, then it won't omit the right things. So I think if it's dispatched, it can't go to delivery. It needs to go through all the states to get there first. I wonder what would happen in this case. I guess it'll update, but then the state would, like, glitch and get stuck, right? And since the state will kind of get stuck, yeah, we gotta, like, fix this. So this won't work. And it's because we're allowing them to save everything. Right? It's because we're letting them just save everything at once. That's basically the break. So you have to process it through all the states to get to the final state. Right. Like... And that feels really clunky to me. Unless we can build a helper to do that somehow. I don't know. I don't think that this probably doesn't have a way to do that, but I could be wrong. I mean, I guess we could build custom... we could build a custom transition set, but that just feels really gross to me. Feels bad to me since someone forgot to update and the load is delivered. A lot of extra steps to do that. Yeah, no, I agree. I think that they should definitely be able to mark it delivered, because I know that for sure happens, right? So I think I'm on the same page. I'm just trying to wrap my head around. I think the back end needs to handle that. Like the back end needs to say, okay, we're at dispatched and now we're delivered or at delivery. We need to move to at pickup, in transit, at delivery, like in that order, so that all those individual events can get fired like they should have been. There's one way we could do that, which is I think we could create custom transitions, right? So we could configure these custom transition classes and say like dispatch to delivered. And we could say dispatch to delivered and then have the custom transition class handle that and like omit all the events that it's supposed to, or like I guess it would just transition the state over and over and over. But that feels really, because we're gonna have to do that for all the possible ones basically, because it goes backwards too. What if you go back in and you marked it delivered on accident? I don't know, maybe you mix the load up. That happens, right? So you mix the load numbers up, you went and you marked it delivered, and you're like, oh, whoops, it's not at the delivery, it's I updated the wrong load. You go clear it back out, and now it's got to go back the other direction. So now we need the same thing backwards. We need to like step through the... Is there a way to do this? To like tell it to, hey, I want to go A to B, step me through all the transitions? Because that would be awesome. I guess there wouldn't necessarily, because there could potentially, our current setup isn't this way, but there's potential for there to be other like branching paths that go to the same place, and you wouldn't be able to resolve what path to take. So you would have to, I don't really want to like build on that logic in, but we need to support this for sure. Basically, if it's dispatched, we can pretty much just calculate the state, and we know we need to go dispatch to there. As long as it's in the group of dispatch, pickup, delivery, or in transit, we know when the stops change, we should recalculate the state. If it's outside of those, like if it's already delivered or it's booked or something, we don't need to do that. So we almost need to go like, if event shipment state class, I guess it'd be like, actually, can we do this? Match. And then we can go ending class. No, that's stupid. If an array. I have no idea what it's doing. There we go. Basically, if it's pending or booked, or delivered, or canceled. Class or canceled. Bring this up a little bit. There we go. Okay. So basically, if I guess we should do this too, huh? There we go. Yeah. So basically, if we're in any of these, we can just we're not gonna make a change, so we can just skip it. In fact, maybe we do the opposite. Maybe we go if not in array. That's probably cleaner. We go dispatched, class, in transit, and not. I guess if well, actually, we don't even have a thing to mark it as delivered right now, right? What does it look like on the last one? It's just. It's just left at. So this probably needs to do. Oh, these are goofy. I guess it would be when the last unloaded at gets filled, it'd be delivered. But it'd be like this. If shipment is not in a state where stops are still active, then we can just return since we don't want to update the state for a pending or completed shipment. I think that makes sense. Cool. So, okay. So we need to step it through. So I think we just go. I think we just need to build a helper, unfortunately. Which kind of sucks. And also, we need to be able to go backwards too, right? On our states. Shipment state. Like these need to also be able to go backwards. So like it also needs to be delivered to at delivery. Or maybe we don't. Maybe we like force it. In the scenario where you go backwards, do we want to like I don't think we want to like re-emit events, right? Like in that scenario of like delivery and you're like, oops, wrong one. It's actually like at pickup still or whatever, or in transit. I don't think we want to like go backwards and emit an at delivery again. So maybe we actually like hard update it if it's backwards. So I'm thinking what we do. Okay, so it's coming to me. So I think what we do is we go, let's build a helper. Let's go handle stops change. Let's go. Let's go private function. Stop state orders. Or maybe we go. Transition through stop states. Shipment state, and then what this is gonna do, I guess we can return the shipment. Actually, that's fine. Transitions to shipment through the required stop states to achieve the final state. Let's go final state. Final state based on the correct order. This supports multiple stop updates at once while still emitting required events. Getting a little hacky. I don't love this. Maybe something better will come to me. But basically what we're going to do from here is I wonder if we can actually pull this out of here. Because we can basically build like a node, like a graph here, and we can say pending
Champion belt of the world.
to booked to dispatch to pick up. For now, the quickest way is going to basically be like this. This is what I have in my head anyway. I haven't asked AI for help on this. Maybe I should have, but anyway. Basically, I'm going to do state order, which is going to be like this. Dispatched class to at pickup to in transit to at delivery to delivered. Correct state order. Or I guess let's do state order, sure. Order of states to be transitioned through. Forgot to include these apparently. It's Mac not returning the shipment, that's fine. Shipment. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna say current state is state class. We're gonna say current state index, final state index. If the current state index is faster than that, wait, what is this? No, we're not gonna go reverse order. I think we're gonna do, I think we're just gonna hard set it in that case. So we are gonna basically, I think what we're gonna do is we'll create another one. I'll stub it really quick. It's gonna be private function calculate stop state. Yes. And then we'll do get calculates which state the shipment should be in based on the updates to the stops. We're just gonna say I don't care, we'll just say in transit for now, it doesn't matter. Cool. I think we're gonna do this still. I'm gonna keep that for a second. So basically the way I see this is we're gonna do shipment is shipment, and then we're gonna say final state equals calculate final state. This is actually gonna be a string. It's good. And then we're gonna do shipment equals transition through stop states. And then I don't think we gotta return anything in this, right? No, okay. Cool. Okay. This is pretty much all we need. So basically we're gonna do get the shipment. This only if we're in dispatch, in transit, at pickup, at delivery, or delivered. Outside of that, we are not gonna, I don't care. We're not inside like active, like in transit world. So we'll just skip it. But if we are, then we're gonna say, okay. We don't actually, we don't need to save it or anything. We're gonna say, okay, well, based on the updates that we've had, what is the state supposed to be? Now, it might be like in transit, it might be a pickup, I don't know. And then we're gonna, okay, that's great. Yeah, this is fine. There's gonna be a bug here. Thinking of to do. There will be a bug in the case of multi-picks, in that the pickup state will only be emitted once in the case of all stops being at the same time. So if there's two picks, we'll have a bug. We'll come back to that. That's fine. All right, so we grab our current state, we grab what the state's supposed to be. Okay, if it's less than where it needs to be, we want to say, wait, can we make, we could make this recursive. I won't make it recursive, but we could make this recursive. But that feels hard to follow, so we won't do it. But we could definitely call this, it's like make the update and then call itself, if we wanted to. I'll do a while loop instead though. Yep. So we'll do shipment state, transition to, state order, current index, +1. We could do ++ again, but I'm gonna try to keep this clear. Wait, is there a we didn't do shipment state change? No. It should just emit a state change at this point. We can manually make those updates. In that, I'm pretty sure we can make it so that, like, shipment, like, yeah, at pickup. Yeah, like we can make this, that should already be an event that's getting emitted through shipment state. We can deal with that later. I think we got what we need. All right, on task, on task, on task. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna say, get our current state. While it's less than this, we're going to transition to the next state we need. And then we're gonna increase it because now we're on the next state. And we're gonna do that until our, so it'd be like 0, okay, transition to this +1. We're good. So this transitions to, we're in dispatch and you'd be at delivery. It'd be like, we're at 0, transition to at pickup, cool. Up 1, and transit, cool. So we're here, +1, transit, okay, we're good. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work, so it'll go through them in this order every time. So if we add states in the future, this is gross, and it's gonna be broken. Custom states won't work out of the box with this. We're gonna have to figure something out. I think we're gonna have to figure out a way to, like, maybe we define like a happy path shipment, and that's what we use. Like maybe inside a shipment state, we do like, we define like a method that's like happy path shipment order, and then that's what gets pulled in here instead. Yeah, I think that's what we'll probably do long term. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, or kind of the last thing really, is we need to calculate what it's supposed to be. So we are using current stop as current stop, and that is, so this is going to be equal to, I'm not going to add a note because there's already stuff in there, but this is basically if there's a stop where they have arrived at it but not left, that's the current stop. They are there, in which case we are going to return pickup or delivery as what we need, based on if it's a pickup or a delivery that they're currently at. Otherwise, if there is a next stop, which I think this can be null, so I need to add a check for that. Let me check really quick. Shipment. Next stop. Yeah, this could be null. This would be like the next stop where they haven't arrived there. It's possible that would be null. So I'll add a null coalesce there. If there is a next stop, then they are in transit. Let's do this. If shipment state does not equal dispatched. Or no, we already did. Wait, no, we took care of it because if it's not the first one. Right, okay. No, we're good. We're totally good. We're not going to move to dispatched because It should never move backwards. We'll take care of that later. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting there. This looks good. So now we have at pickup, at delivery, in transit. We need to do delivered. So now we need to say if shipment stops latest first shipment stops loaded unloaded. I don't think left at will ever get filled in for the last stop, right? We're just gonna need unloaded. Loaded unloaded at. I don't think left that's actually gonna get filled in. I think we'll probably just hide it on the final one. But in that case, it is going to in fact be delivered. Otherwise, I guess technically it would be dispatched in this case. Yeah, so this is going to be, let's add some notes here. Based on the stops, the current state of the stops, this assumes we're still active. Okay. We are getting kind of huge on this file already. So we might break some of these apart to be different listeners. But that's okay. I was kind of hoping that updated. I was sort of hoping in my head, I was like, it'd be nice if you're gonna go look at how the shipment events all work, that you just go to like the one file. Like that was my train of thought. But I mean, I guess it's only 150 lines, but yeah. Don't love this. I think we're gonna want to pull that into that other class, so we might do this. I'm gonna add a note here too. To do, this should get pulled in from the shipment state class somehow. Okay, I think we're ready to try it. So let's see what happens. So theoretically, we are dispatched. Well, should we do the easy path first? We'll do the easy path first. So we'll say, we'll do happy path. So we are now arrived at the pick. Oh wait, let me. We're kind of goofed because like the order is like wrong on this, but I'll just flip it. Should be okay. I should make the factory like make sense probably. Okay. At pickup first. We are now at pickup. Oh wait, did I update the wrong thing? Hold on. There. Okay. Arrived at the pickup. This should change to at pickup or error. Okay, at pickup. Okay. Happy path working so far. We're gonna say they're loaded. They've left. Should go to in transit. In transit. Now, we are now at delivery. At delivery. And now we'll say they're unloaded. And now we should be delivered. Loaded at. Okay, so delivered didn't work. Okay. We throw an error. No, we didn't. Well, I know it was so close, almost. I thought we had it. I gotta figure out what's okay. So deliver just didn't work. So shipment stops latest first. I'm wondering if the stops need to be refreshed. Like, I wonder if I need to go reload. Is that what it is? It might be reload. Do you need to mark the left at on the delivery, or should that not matter? Oh, that should be it. Did I not mark the right field? Oh no. I'm thinking. Okay, so I'm thinking left at probably doesn't matter. What do you think? I think we just hide that on the last stop. I don't think anybody cares. The only person that will care about the left at is like the next shipment. Yeah, you only care about that's what I'm thinking. Because all you're gonna care is if you have him doing like another load, like it's like a backhaul or whatever, and you got that guy doing a load immediately afterwards. But you would just use dispatched on the new load, so I don't think it matters. Okay, so I think we'll just hide this probably long term. But yeah, unloaded at is not making. I think this is what's wrong. Hold on, let me make sure this is like telling it the right thing. Shipment delivered. Let's see what happens. Save. Go back. Go to Laravel. Okay. So if next stop, oh, there is no next stop. That's why there is no next stop. So it's trying to wait. So yeah, so I think it's trying to return in transit. Hold on, I'll confirm that, but I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. We just need to say if next stop there, I think. Let's go back to. Okay, I'm wrong. It's passing if current stop. Oh, because it's at the stop. So we need to just make this first. Is all. Basically, if the last stop, if the last stop has unloaded at, then it's delivered. Otherwise, we'll put it like at pickup, blah blah blah. And then, yeah, I think this will do it. This was just capturing it before I got all the way to the end. That's all. That's all. Okay. Okay, let's try again. I think it'll just work. Oh. Don't need this probably now. And apparently that was the wrong. I can never remember. It's probably refresh, I guess. Boom. Delivered. Okay, okay. So the happy path works. So let's put it through something tougher now. So let's go to, let's go pending. All right, we're pending. We throw a carrier on there. Now we're booked. Now we're gonna go, we're dispatched. Now we're gonna say, oh, you know what? He's already delivered. Let's just fill in all the fields. You do have to fill the fields in. I did make that a requirement. Some people might complain about that, but I'm pretty sure most managers won't, so it'll be fine. We'll leave left at empty because that doesn't matter. Oh, it's out of order. Delivery. Okay. Yeah, this should work. We should go straight to delivered. Let's go! Let's go. Heck yeah. Alright. And so then the other thing we need to do, I think the last thing for me to be happy with this. Oh wait, I think do I have logs in here? Nope. States. Okay, what time is it? 4:50? Oh man, we're so close. What else do we need to add besides going backwards? Delivered? I don't think anything. I think we're good. I mean, we'll clean this up. We're not done this week. I definitely want to uncancel a load functionality. What was the other thing? Move shipment happy path state list to shipment states. Consider bug related to multi-drop or multi-pick. Only firing one event per type. Oh yeah, at least to me. We'll work on these, or I'll work on these tomorrow / Wednesday. Definitely want to get some of that done. I want to go backwards really quick. I think we can do that in the next 10 minutes. So my thought is, if can you is there a way to like force a state, or is it just going to be like, yeah, just update it? Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Oh, here's how you do the allow multiple transitions to one. So we could do that or cancel. We'll update that too. I think that looks cleaner. There we go. Thanks, AI. Oh, almost thanks, AI. What do you... Yeah, I hate this. There we go. Okay. Yes, that looks better to me. Okay. So I'm guessing... Hold on, let's look at the database really quick. We probably can just... Oh, whoops. I think we're just gonna, like, do a straight DB update, probably, to go backwards. Oh. We need a SQLite viewer. I don't really like the one we used last time that much, to be honest. This one's got a GIF for the icon. Makes me want to use it. I don't remember which one we used before. Was it this one? I might just have to get Postgres set up so I can just use like a proper... Oh, you know what we can do? I forgot. SailDB, right? That'll work. Oh, Sail Artisan DB. I just want to see if the field in there is just... I'm guessing it's the alias. We can... I'm just curious if we can just like hard update it and just like skip anything. So like if I... Can I go... What are we messing with? What was the one? 8. It's from select state from shipments. Our ID is 8. So it's delivered. So if I go, I should have just split 2 of these. Now I gotta wait for it to come back. Actually, you know what? Let's just send it. Let's just see what happens. So if I go, we probably don't like. Okay, so first of all, we probably don't want it to come back out of delivered. In practice, like we'll probably limit that one. Like if it's in delivered, you can't go backwards. But otherwise, they're okay. But otherwise, I think we go if current state index is greater than final state index, else if and let's go ahead and put our while in here. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw this in here just to make it safe. Doesn't look as beautiful as it did before, but I think it looks safer. Okay. So I think what we'll do is we'll say shipment update state order. I don't know if the cast will fix this or not. Does update save? I can't remember. Update them all in the database. Yeah, I think it skips the callbacks too normally. Returns a bool. Yeah. So now, if I come in here and I say Whoops. I didn't deliver yet. This should change to at delivery. It did not. I wonder if it threw an error. Oh, weird, it didn't. Let's see what's in the database. I mean, I guess it just didn't change. Do I need to go, like... name? Oh man, it hates that. Expected object, but found it. Oh, right. True. Okay. Select state from shipments where ID is 8. Yeah, so it's delivered. Oh, are we not including it in our list, actually? No, we are. Okay. This should turn into, we need to like do get class. Can we do shipment state from? Is that a thing you can do? Serializing from. Okay. I don't know. I think we want to go get class. State order. Current state index. Name. I'm positive PHP Stand is not gonna like this line. Yeah, I want that. Expected, but got class string. How do I get like the class? What does this do? It returns a string. What's the way to get like the actual? I have a string. Wait, is it just like this? Maybe. Save. Did not work. Let's try this then. Let's throw some logs in there. Logger. Info. Going back to. State. Okay. Let's see what this does. I think it should work when we just run this. Okay, so it's actually not getting there. Logger, info, transitioning. State. Okay, so it gets here. Wait, current state is... Isn't current state, oh, wait a second. What does this return in the case of... Okay, wait, hold on a second. Logger, info, current state, and details, sure. Let's do current state. There we go. I think this might actually not be working right. Hold on. That is not what I wanted to do. I want to go word wrap. View. There we go. So current state is delivered. Final state is delivered. Oh. Wait, why does it think why is it thinking it should be delivered? Loaded, unloaded at is empty. Right? Sail, artisan, tinker. So for some reason, the last stop it's pulling back is I thought that the stops auto-ordered by sequence number, but maybe not. Log in really quick. Go shipment, find 8, and then I go stops, latest, first. What do we get? Pickup. Wait, how? Stop number 1. Wait, hold on, how? Get. Okay. So wait, do I just do it by... Is latest breaking this actually? Yeah, latest is adding a... I think latest is actually not doing what I want it to do. Stops. Good news, I don't use this very much. Cool. I'm surprised this works. Oh, look at that. That's why. Oh wait, no, that's what I was doing, right? Latest first.
Quentin Thomas to mission
Yeah, wait,
control.
I'm surprised this is working.
Come across a ship. It looks alien. Nothing
Is
I've
it
ever
working?
seen before.
Oh, they're all the same. So no, it is not working. Got it. Okay, so I want the... So this is doing... I thought that I added shipment stop. I thought we'd ordered this already by a default for order by stop number. We do. I guess latest is adding an order. I don't think last is a thing, right? Last. No. It's only first, I think. Eloquent relations has many. Eloquent first. First. How about the opposite? Last. Dang, okay. I have no idea why this isn't built in. I'll be honest. I've run into this before. But basically you can use first to get the first, but you can't, there's no like, you can do latest, but that's adding its own ordering by, I think, the created. Let's do that in here. Latest. Latest. Oldest method allowed to easily order by date. By default, results will be ordered by creator, or you may pass a column name. Oh. You may pass a column name you wish to sort by. Okay, so I want to go stop number. Stop number. It's kind of ugly. What have I done? Latest, first. Oh. That actually might be why this isn't working. So probably... Okay, this looks right now. Let's go back to 8 again really quick. Okay, I think we're gonna be in business this time. We're at delivered. Oh. I don't think we have to do this now. I think we just go like this. No? Let's add a logger. With details. Save. Where are we at? Where about? All right, we're at delivered. We want to go to at delivery. Okay, so now we are running into the issue we thought we were running into before, I think. Which is that this is not being... We need like this. So this is gonna give us a string. So this does not work. Hold on, what's this do? New state. I think that's gonna break. Find out. So current state greater than final state index. What did we get? Current state is 4. So you should be in there. Okay. I think this is gonna give us pretty good insight here. Let's see. It's weird that this is delivered name. Why doesn't this error then? Right? Because aren't we doing the same thing? Or no? Going back to here. Oh, it was probably I just didn't have a name before, I think is what it was. So we need to figure out how to get this back into a... Actually, can we go like this? Maybe? Unable to resolve required model class. Okay. Let me look at this then. Can we do... Is there a from or something in here? We basically need to get the actual, like... Make. No. Oh, there's the equals check. Ah. Oh, wait. It's private, though. Festival. Dang, how do we get... Okay. Static name. Yeah, let me see. Maybe we ask AI for help on this. See what it gives us. We haven't used AI like at all today. I have an issue where I have a class name, but I need to get the actual class and the name property from it. I.e. the name property from at pickup. I don't mean to include that, but that's okay. I'll see what happens. What's it doing now? Why is it adding stuff? Using reflection. Oh, that's why it's messed up. Wow, its suggestion there was horrible though, for the record. I was like, do you see that? It was like editing other stuff. I don't know what it was doing. Okay, hold on. I think this is gonna work now. New state. This is a little goofy. In fact, before I go that far, is there like a better way for me to get the actual name it's supposed to be using out of this? Because that's probably like a better way to do it. Like this might be it. I usually ask it not to edit files if I need an explanation. Yeah, I guess I should have. Because it was like, well, let me go ahead and just make this all different. Oh, here we go. Resolve state class. Wait, this is what I want. Right? It's public. State. Static get state. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I just figured it out a better way, possibly. I think we want to go shipment state resolve state class. We don't need name anymore. I think this is it. I think this is it. Dang it. What did it do? New state delivered. Wait, it's the code wrong now? Did I do the wrong thing? Current state. Yeah, I did. I'm an idiot. Okay, cool. Boom. All right, now we can go backwards. Done. So we'll say if state is going to receive, then we force transition and skip events by updating the shipment directly. Else we transition on. You reach the target state. Reach the final state. Okay. Cool. All right. Nice. Nice. So now if I go around and I don't know. I can like clear all this out, I think. Like if I go, oh, whoops, they actually are at the pickup. I updated the wrong shipment. Boom. Back at pickup. And it doesn't emit events for all that. It just updates database directly so we don't get any goofs. Sick. Yeah, looks great. Cool. Let's push it out. Actually, let me check what we got real quick. Appreciate the follow, Code Drift. All right. Yeah, so that's a good catch. I almost feel like we should add like a... I hate that we do like the latest stop number here. Like that's... If we ever want to change the ordering, we gotta like change this everywhere. Just lurking and co-working? Yeah. I feel ya. Thanks for tuning in, man. Yeah, I feel like whatever. It's probably good for now. I feel like in the future we're gonna want to change that though. Centralize it a bit. Oh, let's make sure canceled works too. Since we changed some stuff. Confirm. Okay, cool. I guess uncancel. We can probably do that now, huh? No, we need to track, that's right. We need to track the previous state to do that. Maybe cancel doesn't become a state. Well, it probably should be. That's fine. So state transitions working for stop updates. Nice. Huge. All right, what are the bets? Will the linters be happy? I say no. Something's going to be angry. That's my guess.
His determination, and I like the fact that.
Let's see. Well, actions file. That's fine. That's acceptable.
Always submits himself.
We did some carrier stuff earlier, right?
In the guide, and so I like that humble part.
What did it change? I'll just clean some stuff up. I think PHP stand's gonna break at the end. That's my guess. Because we got some really weird stuff kind of going on. Yeah. Oh, no, it didn't. Money. Winter fixes. Sweet. Sweet. Take that. So we need uncancel, move shipment happy past states to shipment. Let's consider multi-drop. So I'll work on this stuff tomorrow, probably, maybe Wednesday. Let's get this stuff merged. Other stuff this week, storage link stuff, we gotta do that still. A lot of stuff kind of building up. Need to take a swing at, so carrier fallout stuff. Yeah, but this looks good. This is huge progress today. This is like a huge milestone to get the life cycle stuff in place. So yeah, that's huge. What we do? Carrier is now nullable. Updates to shipment factory for some unbooked loads. Shipment states life cycle implemented. Yeah. Oh, we added kind of like our first events. So that's cool. Yeah, I like the listener approach on this. I think it'll be easy for someone in the future that wants to see what's going on to be able to just jump into this file. Probably super small on stream, but to be able to just jump in here, like if you want to see where the shipment state gets handled, even if we break it into like other files in the future, I think it should all flow through this. That way it's just easy to like see where it goes. I think the shipment events look good too. Carrier and stop updates. Like I said, we can hook these into the front end. We'll do that for the real time eventually. Like we're not gonna do that right now, but once we get to real time, these will all see the broadcast on. We didn't touch on this. I pulled it out like at the private channel it had in here. But we'll actually hook this up to like Pusher, or maybe we'll set Reverb up in the project directly. That's probably what we'll do. We'll probably set Reverb up and have it just like in the container and everything, just to make it easy. But it'll make it so that basically if you're on a shipment page and somebody makes an update, we'll immediately get this event. In fact, to be real, passing the whole shipment in here, we might change this to a shipment ID. Because this whole thing will come through the event. And I've had problems in the past with like really big objects causing WebSocket problems. But basically the front end will be able to say, oh, there's an update to the shipment, and like refresh. Right now we've got shipment stops and carriers like separated, so potentially we could even go as far as like hot reloading a section maybe. I don't know if you can do that. I would think you probably can, but that'd be pretty cool, I think. So that's just kind of like, you know, laying the foundation, which is cool. What else do we do? Fix the lane that did not work apparently before. Does now. Yeah, and I like the events being in the actions instead of just being like magically tied to the models. That again, so right, like we went and like manually updated the shipment as like a workaround to like, you know what, when we go backwards we just go that way. If we had events tied to model updates, then that'd have been like a whole nother like chaos to deal with of trying to make sure the events didn't emit. Does it currently break if you clear out something? So you have it delivered and you clear the unload date. No, it should work. I'm gonna try. Well, this was canceled. Hold on. But yeah, so if you go and like, so this is booked, so we'll dispatch it. And then we'll say, there's no undispatching function yet. We'll want that eventually. But yeah, arrived at, we'll say, oh, it's all messed up because that order again. That's fine, we'll go through these. So arrived at, loaded, left. So now it's arrived. Actually, we'll clear this. So it should be in transit. Right, it's in transit. So now if I come back in here, edit, go left at, oh, whoops, actually, he's still there. I got it mixed up. He's actually at the pickup. Save. He's at pickup. So yeah, it goes backwards. it basically just will like grab the state it's supposed to be in based on the fields you've got in there. But it'll only do that for after it's dispatched, and then we'll probably change it to make it like before delivered, and we'll probably have like a manual like undeliver button that we have to click. Because I'm thinking like when you deliver, that's probably going to trigger other stuff that happens. Like it's going to trigger the countdown for like accounts receivable and like days to pay and yada yada. Like there's like other things in there, so we probably won't make it magically update to in transit if it's been delivered. We'll probably like throw an alert and say you must undeliver first and have like an undeliver button in the corner. So, but yeah, at the moment it just updates. So. Cool. I think this is good. We're past merging it. Sweet. Yeah, it's huge. That was huge progress today. I wasn't sure how smooth it was gonna go. I was a little worried when we got to stops. I was like, you know, oops. Like I didn't think about like the way our stop updates are functioning. I was a little concerned, but we got through it. Cool. All right. Well, I think that's gonna be it for today. Wednesday, there's gonna be stuff to do still. I think we'll probably do carrier Fallout stuff Wednesday. That's where I'm kind of leaning. I'll probably work on some of these other cleanup things tomorrow. Actually, you know what? Yeah, that's what we'll do. Wednesday, I want to also add the ability to track drivers. So I want to be able to like actually put a driver on a shipment and then have like driver profiles. DeGroot was mentioning that. Adam DeGroot was mentioning that on Twitter the other day, or X. That's really useful. So I was like, oh, I've literally seen that. I don't know why I didn't think about it. So we'll add that in there too. I think that'll be kind of a fun one, pretty quick. So anyway, nothing broke. Knock on wood. Stream went pretty well. Hopefully, you know, I'll get the recording thing figured out next time, so I can clip stuff better. But yeah, Wednesday carrier stuff, and I'll keep working on some of the state stuff. We got to look at how to make custom states too. So yeah. Anyway, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good rest of your evening, and I'll see you guys back on Wednesday. Have a good night.
Killing myself for a new one. Every few months, it's a whole new me. Let a good run go too long. I've grown tired of the